Hello students, today let us understand about Windows. Okay, now let us talk about Introduction to Windows. Tell me children, who takes care of all the household jobs at your home? Yes, you have guessed it right. Your parents look after all the household works in such a manner that you do not have to worry about them. It is because they run the house with a system. Suppose your parents are away and you have to manage the house. You will surely find it difficult to manage the daily course of a house and will find yourself in a mess. In the same way, a computer has a special set of programs which manages all the jobs of a computer and makes it run. This is known as operating system. Windows is an operating system. Without it, we cannot even start a computer and work on it. Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. are some of the most popular operating systems. Basically, an operating system acts as a link between the user and the hardware. This link is called interface. Who is he? He is William Bill H. Gates, founder of Microsoft Corporation, the world's leading software company. First, let us talk about the user interface. You have learned that a printer is used to print information on a paper. Can you explain that how do you communicate with the printer attached to your computer? How do you instruct it to print a document? To give instructions for printing a document, you either type some commands, press a set of keys, or click a few buttons. These commands or menus through which a user communicates with an external device or a program are called user interface or simply interface. Okay, now we shall talk about types of user interface. There are two main types of user interface. Command Line Interface (CLI), Graphical User Interface (GUI). CLI. A command line interface requires a user to type the text-based commands using a keyboard to instruct a computer to take the desired actions. For example, DOS, Disk Operating System. GUI. A graphical user interface provides picture-oriented way to interact with hardware and software. This includes menus, toolbar, pictures, windows, icons, buttons, and other controls that enable a user to just make a few clicks to get the work done. It requires the use of a pointing device like mouse in addition to the keyboard. For example, Windows.